Homeowners in West Columbia are making significant home improvement upgrades, with window and door replacements at the top of the list. Whether it's for better energy efficiency, increased home value, or enhanced security, upgrading windows and doors offers numerous benefits that homeowners can't ignore. If you're wondering whether now is the right time to replace your windows and doors, here's why so many people in West Columbia are making the switch. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the most compelling reasons homeowners are replacing their windows and doors is to improve energy efficiency. Older windows and doors often have gaps, leaks, or outdated materials that allow heat and cold air to pass through easily. This leads to higher energy bills, as HVAC systems must work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Modern windows and doors are designed with energy-efficient materials, such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These features help maintain indoor temperatures, reducing the strain on heating and cooling systems and ultimately lowering energy costs. In West Columbia, where summers can be hot and humid, energy-efficient windows and doors are a must-have for comfort and cost savings. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. Upgrading your windows and doors doesn't just improve energy efficiency, it also boosts your home's curb appeal and resale value. New windows and doors give your home a fresh, modern look, making it more attractive to potential buyers if you plan to sell in the future. According to real estate experts, homeowners who invest in high-quality windows and doors can see a significant return on investment, ROI. Not only do these upgrades make the home more visually appealing, but they also signal to buyers that the property is well maintained, making it easier to sell at a higher price. Increased security and safety. Another major factor driving window and door upgrades in West Columbia is security. Older windows and doors can be vulnerable to break-ins due to weak frames, outdated locking mechanisms, and fragile glass. Modern replacement options come with advanced security features, such as reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass, multi-point locking system, smart locks for added convenience. These features provide homeowners with greater peace of mind, knowing their families and belongings are better protected against potential intruders. Better noise reduction. For those living in high-traffic areas or near noisy streets, upgrading windows and doors can significantly reduce outside noise. Double and triple pane windows, along with well-sealed doors, act as sound barriers, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. This is especially beneficial for families, remote workers, and anyone who values a serene living space. Protection against harsh weather conditions. West Columbia experiences its fair share of storms and unpredictable weather. Upgrading to storm-resistant windows and doors can provide extra protection against heavy rain, wind, and debris. Many modern windows and doors are built to withstand extreme weather conditions, reducing the risk of damage during storms and minimizing costly repairs. Low maintenance and durability. Old wooden windows and doors often require frequent maintenance, including painting, sealing, and repairing damage caused by moisture and pests. Today's replacement options, such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite materials, are designed to be low maintenance and long-lasting. With modern materials, homeowners can enjoy windows and doors that resist warping, cracking, and fading over time. This means less time spent on maintenance and more time enjoying a beautiful, hassle-free home. Increased natural light and better indoor comfort. New windows can bring more natural light into your home, creating a brighter and more inviting atmosphere. Many homeowners opt for larger window designs or strategically placed replacements to maximize sunlight exposure. Additionally, modern windows are better at blocking harmful UV rays while still allowing ample light to enter. This protects furniture, flooring, and decor from fading while improving indoor comfort year-round. Is it time to upgrade your windows and doors? If your windows and doors are outdated, drafty, or showing signs of wear, it may be time to consider an upgrade. Investing in high-quality replacements can provide immediate and long-term benefits, from energy savings to enhanced home security and aesthetics. West Columbia homeowners are taking advantage of modern technology and design advancements to improve their living spaces. Whether you're looking to boost energy efficiency, increase home value, or enjoy a quieter and safer environment, upgrading your windows and doors is a smart investment. Ready to make the change? Consult with a trusted window and door replacement expert in West Columbia to find the best options for your home and budget.